My name is Alyssa O'Brien, and I'm a product engineer. My department and under my role as a product engineer, I am responsible for not only bringing in these products to sell within our market, but teaching people how to use them. I'd say that some top characteristics that would make a great product engineer would be inquisitiveness, an eye for design, a want to create something that makes people's lives easier. It was a field and an interest that I knew I could excel in. You know, it's a very rewarding industry. If you like to learn, if you like to build and create, I honestly didn't even look left or right to see if there was anybody judging me for being a woman trying to get into this. Just go for it.